In this tutorial, I'll show you how to schedule a TikTok post step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open TikTok on your computer. Post scheduling is currently available through TikTok's web version, so open your browser and go to the official TikTok website. Log into your account. Step 2. Upload your video. Click the Upload button. Select the video you want to publish from your computer. Wait for the upload to finish before moving to the next step. Step 3. Add your post details. Write your caption, add hashtags if needed, and choose your privacy settings. You can also enable or disable comments, duets, and stitch depending on your preferences. Step 4. Turn on schedule. Below the publishing options, you'll see the schedule option. Enable the schedule toggle. If you don't see this option, make sure you're using TikTok on a desktop browser and that your account supports scheduled posts. Step 5. Choose the date and time. Select the exact date and time you want your video to go live. Double-check that your time zone is correct before continuing. Step 6. Schedule the post. Once everything looks good, click the Schedule button instead of Post. TikTok will automatically publish your video on the date and time you selected. If you need to make changes before it's published, simply go to your scheduled posts from the web version of TikTok, where you can edit or delete them before they go live. And that's it. Now you know how to schedule a TikTok post in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other TikTok tutorials.